Hey guys, this is part 4 of making a website for completely free. And today what I'm going to show you guys how to do is just pretty much mess with pages. Cool things you can do with pages, just all the information I know how to do using pages. So first of all, we're going to have to make some pages. I know some mind-boggling and stuff right there. So I don't really have anything here, but I'm just going to make some. For example, let's say I want a store on my thing. I might make a future video on how to sell things on Google Sites. We'll see. So just write store, and then let's write credits. Obviously, I don't really have any credits, but if I did, you know what I mean? You guys can make custom pages. Don't worry, you can do whatever. Let's say I'm like, ugh, I don't know. I want store to be behind credits. Well, I can do that. All you gotta do is just hit store, click it, and then you can put it under it. So that's pretty cool. Now, let's say I'm like, ugh, I don't know. I don't really want store to be visible on my navigation. Navigation is like this. So all you gotta do is just gotta click this. Oops, sorry, I didn't want store. You have to click the little 3 dots, and you're gonna click hide from navigation. Boom! Now you can't see it. Kinda crazy. Now you're like, oh wait, actually I do want it to be on. So we just have to click it back to show navigation. Now maybe you're like, I don't know, I want my store to be under credits. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this, oops, sorry. You just want to click this like we did with the other thing, and you're going to put it on that. Boom! And now you can see it like that. Pretty cool. Now, there's also another thing. So maybe you're like, I don't really want my thing to be up here. I want it to be off to the side. And you can actually do that. If you click settings, then click mode, then click slide, you can actually make it appear on this side. So that's kind of cool. And it also has this cool little transition thing. That's pretty nice. Then, there's also some other things like we do. Like, we're maybe like, I don't really like the color of that. It looks kind of weird. Well, we can change it. So let's go back to the top. We can make it black. We can make it white. And we can make it transparent, which transparent's just like, so if we add a header, and then we go back, and then transparency is literally just nothing. It just shows up like that. I don't recommend transparency, but you do you. You know what I mean? You're making the site. You have the power. I got the power. Anyways, that's pretty much all the information out there. I mean, you can duplicate your page. Like maybe you're like, I want another of this page. You can do that by clicking duplicate page, and then taking copy of off. Boom. You can also make it your homepage. So for maybe you're like, I don't really want home to be my homepage. I don't know why you would, but maybe you want to know. All you gotta do is go to credits and click make homepage. Now credits is your homepage. Once again, not sure why you would want to do that, but now you know. And that's pretty much all the information you can really learn. There's not much other stuff out there using pages, but if you got any other information that you think of, definitely tell me. I'd love to learn. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to learn other things, like maybe you're like have another question for me, you can comment, or maybe I already made a video and just look at my little playlist and, learn something new. That's all for today. See ya.